Nice to meet you. I'm here with the product manager of Anker SOLIX.
Yeah, nice to meet you.
Yeah.
So it's a pleasure.
Yes, can
Have
you
you
please? Yeah, thank you very much.
Yes.
Can you please introduce yourself to our viewers and tell us about your job within Anker SOLIX?
Yeah, so my name is Saber. So I'm actually the head of the Solarbank product line. So basically I lead the whole team from the product team to the R&D and also to finalize the whole product.
So why is the Solarbank MAX AC developed?
So initially we have identified the huge requirement gap between, we have seen a lot of the households, they have installed solar panels on their rooftop already, but they don't have batteries. Mm-hmm. And then from the next year, a lot of people, they can't get the benefit as they have before. So we think having an AC coupled battery, could be one of the easiest way for them to store all the battery, all the energies they want, and then to save the benefit from like they before. And then that's why we want to develop this project and to help them to have the easiest way to store the energy and save the benefits they have. Yeah.
So what's the main problem that you are trying to solve with the Solarbank MAX AC?
I think there are a couple problems we want to solve. Mm-hmm. The very first thing is to make sure the end customer can get the product ready as easy as possible, right? Because when people talk about the batteries, they think, oh, this is too complicated for us, but it's not the case anymore. So we try to make this as straightforward as possible so that they know, intuitively know how to use them. That's the first problem. The second one is to save, to cut off all the energy waste as much as possible. So that's why we did a lot of research and also the investigation to find out what's the best capacity and the best power they would be able to have.
So what were the biggest technical challenges during the development of the Solarbank MAX AC?
While we're developing this product, I think we have tackled several technical problems mm-hmm. already. The very first thing is for the first time, we have adopted a new batteries technologies. Instead of a small battery, so we're having these industrial levels, large prismatic batteries. This gives the benefits of longer cycle life and also higher energy densities for the whole system. And then at the same time, so we want to fully use the household circuit, right? So that's why we push the power density to 3,500 watt. This also brings up the further problem is like, how can we handle this large power within this compact system? Mm-hmm. And how can we handle the heat? How can we handle the power electronic topology inside of it, and also how to handle the safety and the reliability within the system. And then that's why we have developed several layers of safety protections technologies inside the devices, and we adopt the best power electronic chips and devices and modules inside mm-hmm. the system, so that we can make this as compact as possible and also as reliable as possible.
Great. It really sounds like some kind of puzzle, like there are so many pieces that you get to have it right and then come up with this product. It's really amazing to hear the story. So right now there's an AC coupled version, but as you already mentioned, there's also a hybrid version coming. Yep. Can you explain to the viewers what the difference is between those types of systems?
I think the difference could be very straightforward. Mm-hmm. Where for the AC coupled version, is AC coupled batteries only. Though this product is for the household or and customers who already have the PV and inverter systems ready, and they only want to add a straightforward and easy understanding batteries product. These are the batteries or the products for them. And for the hybrid version, of course, it will have a battery and also the inverter integrated all together. You will have a PV input also, and also the AC output, and have the batteries all in one integrated to store the energy generated from the solar directly.
Yeah.
And for the hybrid version, the product is designed for people who want to have their very first inverter and the battery all together, or they want to replace the current inverter already. Yeah, but from our understanding, AC couple will be more straightforward, and for people who just want to save the trouble, they want to have an AC couple version already.
All right, thanks a lot for the explanation.
Yep.
Yeah, a lot of consumers in the Netherlands and also Belgium, they already have a lot of solar panels.
Yep.
Like the whole system is there, so the AC coupled version is then in most situations the best fit.
Yep.
I think, for example, the hybrid version will be popular, or maybe more popular in for example, Germany, right? There it's more common to have the hybrid version to connect the solar panels.
Exactly.
Yeah, yes. All right, great. Yeah, cool. So what makes the Solarbank MAX AC technically unique in the market?
Okay, then I will mention several points. The first point is, let's talk about the power itself. So it can support up to 3,500 watt. The reason we want to choose this power is that we did all the research, find out with this power it can support basically most of the peak power of the households in Netherlands. And also it can fully use the current existing circuit inside of your house. That's why we choose this power. And then, as we mentioned, we applied industrial level big prismatic cells with 314 amp hour each. The benefit of these batteries is that it can provide 10,000 cycles for this battery, which means you can basically use the batteries or use the energies twice a day. Yeah, those functions will further maximize the benefits or the money you can save from the tariff and also from the PV generate from on the rooftop. The third one will be we develop a specific optimizer inside the battery system so that you can fully charge and discharge, which means 100% charge and discharge the batteries, which was not available before. Right. The reason we want to do that is we have seen a lot of end customers saying, okay, we buy a 5 kilowatt hour batteries, but we can only use 90% of the battery itself. But there will be not the case anymore, right? And the fourth part will be the AI supported system and the energy management system. So for the AI, we're not only talking about the fake AI.
Of course. The marketing term.
The marketing terms.
Yeah.
So we're talking about it has the prediction algorithm inside it. Will help you to predict the amount of PV generated from your rooftop, and also predict the much of energy you use in your household, and then it will smartly decide when to charge and discharge the batteries to give you the best benefit. And also with this generations of AI energy management systems, we have this our own ChatGPT supported agent called Anker.
Yeah.
And this Anker will help you to easily get all the information you want. You can ask and talk and communicate with the system, and it will help you better understand what is going on in the system, what's the best solution we can get, and what's the status of the system, or how much energy we have saved for the system. I think those four parts makes this product quite unique in the market.
Very impressive to hear. Yeah, great.